Let's solve this question together. It says x root of 4 root 2 root 2. Alright? So we're going to solve this and it's equal to 32. Now how do we do this? It looks confusing, right? Because there is 1, 2, 3 square root signs. But I'll simplify this in the best way I can to make it easy. Okay? So let's do this together. Now when you have this, you can write this as 4 root 2 root 2. Remember this we're discovering both the second root of 2. Now raise to the power of what? Since you have x roots, it means that this can be said to be what? 1 over x. So we're equal to 32. Now, in order to eliminate x on both sides, I'll do something. So assuming now I have a raised to the power 1 over b to be equal to c, I can simply say a raised to the power 1 over b raised to the power of b is equal to c raised to the power of b. When you have something like this, you can multiply the powers out. So b can cancel b here to give us a to be equal to c to the power of b. Okay? So we'll apply this same knowledge here in solving this. So we're going to have this raised to the power of x to the same time as this multiplied by x, and this is raised to the power of x. So our x here strikes the x here, so that we are now left with 4 root 2 root 2 to be equal to 32 to the power of x. Now, moving on from here, we can divide both sides by 4. So we have that this is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 to be equal to 32 is 2 to the power of 5. And when I said when you have a raised to the power 1 over b raised to the power of b is equal to a raised to the power 1 over b times b. So this is 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power of x, which is 2 to the power of 5 times x, which is 5x, divided by, so dividing both sides by 4, this is 2 squared. Okay? 4 is equal to 2 squared. And remember, you have what you had here was 4, which is actually 2 squared, and divided this side by 2 squared as well. Alright? So 2 squared strikes 2 squared, and you're left with this. Now you have 2 root 2. Again, when you have square root, it's same as raised to the power of half. To be equal to, on this other side, you're going to have 2 raised to the power of, when you have division in indices of numbers in the same base, you subtract the powers. So this is 2 raised to the power of 5x divided by 2 raised to the power of 2. What we have is 2 raised to the power of 5x minus 2. Alright? Now moving on from here, we can now say, since this is also 2 raised to the power half, we can go ahead to square both sides. So we're going to eliminate the half. So this becomes 2 raised to the power half all squared, which is 2 raised to the power half multiplied by 2. And this is multiplied by 2, okay, which is also the same as squaring both sides here. Now we have 2 will strike 2, so that we're left with 2 root 2 to be equal to 2 raised to the power 10x minus 4. Alright? Alright, moving on from here, we can go ahead and say that this is root of 2 to be equal to 2 raised to the power 10x minus 4. Okay? Now remember that this is 2 here, so we divide by 2, which means we minus 1 from here. Okay? Because we're dividing both sides by 2. If you divide this side by 2 is 1 times root 2. Dividing this side by 2 is same as multiply minusing 1 from the power. So we have that this is equal to 2 raised to the power 10x minus 3. Sorry, minus, this is minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. And this is equal to root of 2. Again, we can eliminate this by simply saying 2 raised to the power of half is equal to 2 raised to the power of 10x minus 5. Squaring both sides and multiplying the powers by 2. Okay, so we multiply these powers by 2. 2 will strike 2, so that we are left with 2 here to be equal to 2 raised to the power of what? This is 10 times 2 is 20x minus 10. The ways are the same, hence the powers will be the same. So we have 2 raised 20x minus 10 to be equal to 1. 20x to be equal to 11. X is equal to 11 over 20. Okay? And this becomes the final answer to x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.